Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to do my deep freeze. It's the last thing to do and it is packed full. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do here is just start taking everything out. So I will set you up in my kitchen while I pile all this crap up on my counters and see what I have. Okay guys, my freezer is empty. So everything is just piled up. Don't mind my dirty dishes. Yeah, we have everything from garlic bread, pizza rolls, salmon, French bread pizzas, frozen fruit, popsicles, vegetables, chicken, taquitos, garlic bread, corn dogs, chicken strips, pizzas, fish sticks, waffles, ravioli. Yeah. So now I gotta kind of go through this. My hands are freezing, but our deep freeze kept getting like ice crystals all over. So now that it's empty, I think I need to defrost it. So I think I need to find a place to put this stuff, like maybe outside. I don't know. I don't know what temperature a freaking freezer is supposed to be at to know how cold it needs to be outside to keep this stuff frozen. Okay guys, so Jay chiseled all of the like ice crystals out of here for me. And here's what we have going on. Okay, I should take this out real quick. Okay, so under this bin is just plain old, oh my gosh, plain old frozen chicken breasts in that basket. Then on top of that chicken is just the other chicken. So I have like chicken patties, chicken nuggets, chicken tenders, chicken strips, chicken wings. So set that back in there. So that's in there. And then I have just this is like the only thing ground beef that we have for like tacos or chili. So I'm just going to sit it right in here in the corner. Back behind the chicken, I'm just going to stick these corn dogs because I don't really have a category. This little bin right here is the extra frozen fruit because we have frozen fruit in the other fridge in the kitchen. So that's just extra that wouldn't fit in the kitchen. There we have 3 frozen pizzas, and then this bin down here is pizza rolls, French bread pizzas, individual little pizzas, bagel bites, all pizza type stuff. And then this bin is all fish. Well, underneath fish, cod, fish sticks, flounder, all that kind of stuff. And I just have some shrimp on top of that. And then this little bin It's like quick and easy stuff. We got taquitos, some garlic bread, some garlic breadsticks, some french fries, and some meatballs. And then there's the beef ravioli. So yeah, let me put my fruit back in here. So now what was a total disaster is now somewhat organized because I know if I want fish, go to this bin. If I want chicken, go to this bin. If I want chicken breast, they're underneath that other chicken bin. So yeah, I'm really happy with it. That's why I like these Dollar Tree bins that are bendable. So yeah, there's my after. Okay, on top I just have this basket that actually goes in here, and it just has a baggie full of the freezer packs and a bag that has shelled walnuts and some almonds in it. And then the freeze pops, I'm just going to stick in wherever. It doesn't really matter. Especially since we can just pick up a basket and move it out of the way. So yeah. There we go. All clean and organized.